So use of this punching operation is these punching impressions or these dots, they will provide the guide for the cutting tool. Okay, that is your hacksaw. So you can easily cut the workpiece on these marked lines. Okay, so these are the marking of the punching. Okay, so after this punching operation, again hold the workpiece in the bench vise like this. Okay, now we have to cut this in a proper angle on this marking. So make sure that this line will be exactly vertical. And with the help of this hacksaw, you will cut the workpiece. Okay, so this is the triangular shape that is to be removed. Okay, so this is your V part. And similarly, this is the male part. So when you cut this, you can observe the edges, they are not exactly smooth. Okay, so you need to polish this. So you will perform the filing operation after cutting. So there are various files, around half circular, flat file. Okay, so this is your final job. Okay, you can insert this male part in this female part. So this is called as a V fitting. One of the application of the fitting operation in the industry is to design the bending punch and the die. Okay, so if you want to bend a metal sheet into a desired shape, then accordingly you need to manufacture the punch and die. So here there is one application. So this is the bending operation. Okay, so here you can see the flat metal sheet. Okay, this upper part, this is called as a punch, and this is the die. Okay, so you can see here. So this is one shape. Okay, so this shape, it is exactly mating with this shape. Okay, and then you can get the desired bending in the flat metal sheet. So this is the proper mating operation. Okay, so while working in the industry, engineer must have the good knowledge about the fitting or fitting operations, various tools used in the fittings. So in the workshop, you carry out the various operations with the help of the hand tools, okay, and sometimes use the power tools. But in the industry, most of the operations, they are carried out with the help of the power operated tools. So this is again a bending operations. So this is called as a punch, and this is the die. So this punch, it must be exactly mating in this die, okay. So all these various parts of that machine, they are manufactured with the help of the fitting board. Okay, so next operation in the fitting workshop is the drilling and the tapping operation. Okay, so if you want to connect the part with the help of the nut and bolt or the screw fitting, okay, then you need to make one hole, and to that hole we need to give the threading, okay, so that we can insert the nut or bolt, and then you can connect the two parts, okay. So for that we need to perform the drilling operation and the tapping operation. So everyone must have seen the drilling machine. Okay, so this is the picture of drilling machine. Let us see how the operation is carried out. Just check the new screen is visible. That is the video screen. Okay, so here you can see the tap wrench. Okay, so this is used to make the thread in the hole. Okay, so this is the manual operation. Okay, so this is a hand operated tool. So with the help of this tap tool or tap wrench, we can create the thread on the hole. So we will see one by one the drilling operation, and after that tapping operation. Okay, so this is your initial workpiece. On this workpiece, first step is we will do the marking. So these are the center points for the holes. Then this is the drilling machine. So as per the requirement, you will connect the drill. So this is called as a bench vise. Okay, so after drilling the hole, you will perform the tapping operation, that is called as a threading operation. Okay. So this is the tap tool or tap wrench. Just you have to insert that, and then you will rotate it so that that will create the thread on the hole. And then you can insert the bolt in that hole. So this is the use of threading or tapping operation.